Okay, welcome back to my channel. Let me get this turned up just a little bit. There you go. Just wanted to let everyone know that Ulsa Tools reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to review some of their tools. So they sent me the 3-piece set of their swivel head 90-tooth ratchets. The 3-piece set. I don't really know that much about Ulsa Tools, other than I believe they're in Canada or from Canada. The guy Charles, he started them in 2015, but I think it was a guy named Mark who's in charge of the social media. He's a social media manager. He's the one that reached out to me. But anyway, they have a lifetime or limited lifetime warranty. They are made in Taiwan, but a lot of tools are. I mean, you go on the Matco truck, even Mac, Cornwell, they all have tools that's not made in the USA, that's made in other places. Nobody has a problem buying them, so these should be good too. I haven't used them yet. I haven't had a need to work on anything yet, so this is just going to be a unboxing and quick review of them. I just wanted to hurry up and go ahead and get a video up about them. They are pretty nice. Like I said, I don't really know that much about them, never heard of them until recently, not too long ago. Let's get into it. All right, this is them. This is the box they come in, as you can see. Let's see. Get it turned around here. The part number is right there, and as you can see, made in Taiwan. At least they tell you where the stuff is made, and they don't try to pull anything over on you. But like I said, let's get the box open and check them out. All right, I'm gonna get it. Let's see. So you can see them in the box, what they come in. That's pretty cool. That's the 1/2 inch, 3/8, and here's the little 1/4 inch. Now, I got these. This one here is a snap-on. This one's a Mac. This one's a Matco. I got these up here, just sitting here, just to compare them, you know, size-wise and all that. But these are all 3/8. So let's set the 3/8 over here to it, so we can compare them for size. Anyway, this is probably about the same size as the Mac ratchet. Which, oh, hold on, here's my coffee. Quick pause, I gotta have coffee. Hold on, just bear with me. Oh boy, can't forget about the coffee. Okay. Anyway, let me see if I can get this camera set up where I can use both hands and show you a little bit more about them. Alright, let's try this. I know I'm not really in the shot, but I'm not the one that's really important. I want to show you the tool. Let's get it turned around the right way where you can see it. That's the part number on that one. This is the 3/8, and like I said, the swivel head. 90 teeth. Pretty awesome. It's pretty tight because it hadn't been used yet. I'm sure you could probably loosen it up by that right there. But I mean, if the quality is compared to their looks and weight and everything, they're pretty good. Like I said, it's about the same size or same length as the Mac, and it's it's pretty good bit heavier. Actually, it's even heavier than the Matco. That's a lot longer. Hopefully that means it's made out of some good material, right? But anyway, that's the 3/8 one. Here is the 1/4 inch dry one. Man, that's smooth, ain't it? Been wanting to try some of these for a while, just haven't spent the money on them because I didn't really know how they hold up or how strong they was, but we're gonna find out now, ain't we? Thanks to Also Tools. Here's the 1/2 inch. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. This joker here is heavy. Pretty nice. Can't wait to actually put them to some use and see how they are. Thank you, Also Tools. Glad to be doing a review of your tools. Okay, like I said, I just wanted to hurry up and get a video up about these ratchets. I didn't want them to think that I wasn't going to do one. They are pretty awesome. Like I said, I can't wait to actually use them and see how they hold up. They seem to be just as strong as any of the rest of them I've looked at. I've never actually used the swivel head type of ratchets, but I have looked at some, and to be honest with you, I think these are the only ones I've found so far that don't have the soft grip handle. I don't really like soft grip. You can see from my toolbox tour, looking at my socket drawer, that all my ratchets are like this. They don't have the soft grip handles. You know, I got big man hands. Don't need soft grip. Not saying anything about anybody else. If that's what you want, that's your choice. And also, if you go on their website, alsotools.com, put in my code RG10 and you'll get 10% off your order. So that's pretty awesome. I thank you, Also Tools, for allowing me to have a discount code like that, so my viewers can order your product and get a discount. So thank you very much for that, and also thank you for the tools. I will be putting them to some use as soon as I can. Anyway, that's all I got for this one. I hope you guys liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.